How to change your password on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your password on TikTok, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your password on TikTok, all you have to do is open the TikTok app, make sure you're signed into your account. Now to change your password on TikTok, it is not necessarily that you have to remember your current password. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines from the top right, and then you want to go to the option called settings and privacy. Over here you want to come to the security tab, and if you do not find it in the security tab, then you can come back and then you can go to the account option. Once you go to the account option, go to the option called password, and then first it will verify with your phone number automatically. So if you've linked your phone number, it will verify automatically, you don't have to do anything. Or if you've linked your email address, it will ask you to verify with your email address. After that you have to go ahead and then simply copy this code right over here. So let me just go ahead and simply copy this code. Once you enter the code over here, it will take you to a page where you can basically enter your new password without having to remember your old password, as you could see right over here. And that's all it takes to change your password on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.